How to enable Gyroscope on Knives Out game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to improve your aim and movement in Knives Out, you are in the right place, so let's go ahead and get it done. First things first, launch open the Knives Out game on your device, whichever device you are using. It might be your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside this lobby screen of Knives Out, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right, and then this will open up the settings menu. Under the settings menu, go ahead and click on the control settings option from the left hand side menu, and then right under view settings you'll see the gyro option. Tap on always on. Now head over to the sensitivity option at the bottom. You can also adjust the sensitivity setting and tweak the gyroscope sensitivity. Go ahead and adjust any other sensitivity option under gyro you want to enable or disable. Make your selection, and once you are done, you can head back to the main home page. Jump into a practice match or training mode and try moving your phone slightly while aiming, and you'll see your crosshair move with your device. So that is how you can easily enable Gyroscope in Knives Out. It might feel a bit strange at first, but stick with it and you'll gain much better control and precision over time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.